Now, when you're learning licks, it's very important to realize that you need to do more than just learn a lick. Um, Basically, you want to start trying to make these licks your own. All right? So, maybe take the first lick I give you and the second lick and see if you can put them together. Put the second one before the first one. Just start mixing it up so that you start to come up with unique ways that you play it, because you don't want it just to sound like, oh, you got that lick from that Bruce Arnold blues chorus, you know what I mean? Or you got that lick from Johnny Winter or, Eric Clapton or whoever. But if you just change it a little bit, and I'll talk about this before each lick, about ways that you can change it to help you make it more your own. But with that in mind, let's take a look at the first lick. All right, so let's look at a lick here. I call this Blues Lick 101. All right, this is like the most basic lick you're going to have. Basically, there's a double stop involved in it, and we're really just playing an F up here at the 10th fret of the G string, and we're going to bend that up to a G, and then we're going to play that same G up here on the B string. All right, and then we're going to play the upper C up here. So we're really just bending an F up to a G, to a G, to a C, and we're kind of letting those ring together. Remember, these are triplets I'm playing. Triplet, triplet, triplet. Now you might wonder how I'm making that so the other strings aren't sounding, the low strings, and what I'm doing is I'm muting right here, the bottom strings. But I'm sure you've heard this lick a million times. It's, Alright, so it's a very common thing, but, again, working on getting your bend, so you get that perfectly in tune. You can see if I go a little too sharp, see it's starting to get the beats in there, a little flat, see it a little bit going brrrr, you want to get it. Now I'm getting real close. There you go. So, you could bend with different fingers. I'm bending with my third, but remember, I have my second finger here to help me bend, so that really helps. Alright, remember, you're doing this all with triplets. Triplet, 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 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So work on that. You actually can play that in a few different plays. And I just went up and played it on the F. Alright, so there's going to be a few different places that can work, but this is the main one. Remember, in the key of C, we're just playing an F up to a G, to a G, to a C. Blues Lick 101.